I'm Kevin.
And I'm Stacy.
And we love to do projects and different things we can do ourselves.
For a couple of reasons. One, because we just enjoy it, and two, because we love to save money.
And that allows us to be free.
Welcome to the Rescue Wagon.
The Rescue Wagon is a 5x8 cargo trailer conversion camper.
When we designed the bed in the Rescue Wagon, we really had to think about our storage area because most of all of our storage area is underneath the bed. So in the Rescue Wagon, when we show you the inside, you'll see that we opted to not do the kind of bed that would turn into a dining room table because of two reasons. One, we just don't ever sit in the Rescue Wagon. Like, we're outside, we are sleeping in the Rescue Wagon. So what we wanted was a bed. We wanted a comfortable bed, and in order to have a dining room table, we would have had to sacrifice some of the comfort because our bed, when we show you our bed, you'll see it has memory foam and it has a lot of cushion and it's just as comfortable as our bed inside our house. So as we thought about how high we needed to make the bed, we had to keep in mind the size of tubs because we put our stuff in tubs and that's our storage underneath. So you'll see that we have a ton of storage underneath and we have all of our items in tubs. So you'll see in our first tub, we keep one tub, and we keep several tubs, but one tub is dedicated to washing materials for dishes and all of our dishes. We have a pan, we have a pot, and we have a couple of things in there for cooking with that in our first tub. We also carry with us this is a surround for a campfire because some places they want you to have a surround, and this just makes it a little easier if we decide we want to cook over a fire. We can use the sides of the little fire surround to cook on. We have our chairs that fit underneath. We also carry with us a Blackstone, so this is what we cook on. We use our Blackstone griddle. We don't carry a grill with us. We either cook over the open fire or we cook on our Blackstone griddle. One of our tubs is actually a cooler. We use this because it's multi-purpose then as well. We can use this for a cooler when we're at our location, and inside, we keep all of our items for our shower and our water system. It's waterproof too then, so we don't have to worry about it spilling if there's still some water in the hoses. We keep with us a collapsible crate, so we're able to use this for a lot of different things. We'll use this to carry firewood when we're coming to our site. We use this to carry groceries. We use it to carry just whatever we may need, and it's really handy, but it collapses really small. In one of our tubs, we keep this handy dandy bamboo shower mat. We use this for several different things. We use this in the shower. We also sometimes use it as a rug in front of the Rescue Wagon door. We also have in here a burner, so we do have a gas burner that we can utilize to cook with. And then we have the water storage cubes, and these fold up very small so we're able to tote our water with us when we're going to a place that maybe doesn't have water accessible. We use collapsible everything in here, which allows us to maximize the space. We have the collapsible dish pans, so we're able to use these for all of our dishes, and we set up a dish station if we're staying somewhere for an extended period of time. We have collapsible buckets. We have a collapsible strainer for dishes. All things collapsible. We use collapsible bowls. That was one of the best inventions ever, were collapsible things. In this, we keep a small rug that goes in the front of the camper and just makes it so you don't get a lot of nasty all over the camper and keeps some of the dirt away. You can see we can fit a ton of stuff under in our storage area. This is basically all of our outdoor items. So we keep our stakes for tents in here, and we keep all of like a hatchet in here, our extension cords. We have propane, those small propane jugs in here, and some outdoor lights. We have a foldable grill table that folds up really small that we keep underneath as well. This is the one table that we carry with us. And then we also have a collapsible picnic table, which folds up really nicely. And when it folds out, it has 4 seats. So if we're somewhere that doesn't naturally have anywhere for you to sit, we have a very small little picnic table that we bring with us. And then we have our shower surround. So all of this stores underneath the bed, which is absolutely fantastic and amazing. And Kevin did a great job making sure that the height of the bed was just right so that we could fit all of these things easily in there. And it really does allow us to bring a lot of stuff with us that we're gonna need, because when we have the stuff with us, we don't have to go and buy it.